Hello children, today we will do back exercise of the poem Trains. We have already done the poem recitation and the new words from page number 53. Now we will do today the back exercises. Okay. Okay, so the questions are now, where do the trains run? Okay, where do the trains run? The trains have a track on which they run, so we will write the answer. The train runs on tracks. Okay, then what are the precious load that they carry? What is that the trains carry and that they are precious? They carry passengers and what else? And loads or mails. So what are the precious loads that they carry? They carry passengers and mails. Okay, they carry passengers and mails. Now the next question is, when do the trains run? When? They are asking the time. So the train runs day and night. The train runs day and night. They don't stop. They keep running. So next question is, what is dusk and dawn? Dusk means the beginning of night, and dawn means beginning of day. Okay, dusk means beginning of night in the evening, and dawn means beginning of day, that is early morning. Okay, then next is talk time. You can either write these questions in your notebook or book, or you can simply just talk. Do you enjoy train rides? Yes. If you had to travel over a long distance, how would you like to go and why? Okay, I would like to go by aeroplane. Now why? Because it takes less time. You can write your answer also. If you want to travel by train or bus, you have to write why you want to travel by bus. Okay, if you had to spend the night on a train, what would you need to take with you? Okay, there is a briefcase here and you have to tell the things you will carry in the briefcase when you have to travel by train. Okay, just think for a movement. We have to draw the things. So just think, what are the things you will take when you have to travel by train? what will be there in your bag or suitcase. Okay, so I have just written in the notebook here. Okay, just see, if you had to travel by train, what would you need to take with you? Okay, we have to draw. So in the suitcase I will have, or in my bag I will have some food items, maybe apple, chocos, bread, jam. Then I will have a bed sheet with me. Then I will have a pillow with me. Then I will have a toothbrush and toothpaste and a hand towel with me. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to draw in this box all these things. Okay, so I make an apple here. So this is an apple. Then I make a choco here. Then I make a bread here. Okay, I made a bread. Okay, then I made a jam bottle here. This is my jam. Okay, then what will I make? I will make a toothbrush. I will make a toothbrush. I will make a toothpaste. Which toothpaste? Dabur. Okay, I will make a toothpaste. Then I will have a hand towel. I will have a hand towel with me. Then what else? And a small pillow with me. Okay, I will have a small pillow. So the things which I would like to carry will be food, a bed sheet, then a pillow, then a toothbrush, then a toothpaste and a towel. Okay, you can write like this also in your notebooks. Just have a look. Okay, like this you can write. You can draw the pictures and color the pictures also. Okay, then we go to the next question. So next question is, let's write. Describe an interesting train or bus journey you have taken or you would like to take. Write 4 sentences about the journey. You can use some of the following words and phrases. Now we have to describe a train journey or a bus journey. Okay, आप कभी बस में गए थे या ट्रेन में गए थे, आपने उसके बारे में बताना है और आपने ये वाले वर्ड्स यूज़ करने हैं. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रीड इट आउट. मैनी पीपल, station, bus station, window, seat, ticket, crowded tea stall, river, big and small tree, hills and loud whistle. Okay, so we are given here 4 lines and first line is done for you. Example, I went to the railway station with my father. Then my father got tickets from the station. I took the window seat. Then I saw people and crowded tea stalls. Okay, then I also saw big and small trees, rivers and hills. Okay, so this is your first sentence, second, third, fourth and fifth sentence. Okay, I too have written You can use your own sentences. I too have written my own sentences. I will just show it to you and read it to you. But I have written 8 sentences. Okay, let's write. I went to Shimla by train during my vacation. My father bought the tickets from the railway station. I saw many people at the station. I took the window seat. I saw many crowded tea stalls at the station. Then I also saw the sky, rivers, and trees from my window. I could see the smoke from the engine and listen to the loud whistle. Now, whistle spelling is, I will write again, WHISTLE. Okay, whistle. Then I had an enjoyable journey. You can write this also in your notebook. Okay, now we'll go further with the exercises. Now, word building. Here what you have to do is sort out these different means of transport into correct groups. One is done for you: land transport, air transport, and water transport. So you have to put these into land, air, or water. Okay, so first one is done. First one is land. Second one is again car. So car is a land transport. Next is aeroplane. Aeroplane, you all know. Aeroplane flies in the sky, so it is an air transport. Next is ship. Ship will sail in the water or the sea. Next is boat. Boat is also a water transport. Then next is train. Train is a land transport. Next is bicycle. Bicycle is also a land transport. Then you have helicopter. HELICOPTER. Then next is truck. Truck is also a land transport. It runs on the roads. Next is steamer. STEAMER. Okay, steamer. So this is done. Now complete the sentences. We have to choose one word from here. Give me some dash to eat. Give me some food to eat. Play with me, gray. Play with me. Swim across the river, the boat. Swim across the river. Let's go on the train down. Let's go on the train. Okay, children. Next is a paper fun. With a paper, you have to make a plane. The steps are given in the book and it is very easy. You already make the paper planes and fly in the class and at home. So, it's very easy. Even I will make a video on how to make a paper plane. Okay, so you can follow the instructions from here and make the paper plane. Okay, next is again, let's move. Crouch low, then rise, take off and move around the room, come down like a rocket and dance too. So there is a small 4-line poem which I will just read. Up, up, up in a rocket, up, up, up in a rocket, up we'll go, up we'll go, up, up, up in a rocket, away, up, high, we'll go. Okay, now next is say the words male, fail, dawn, on, planes, train. So you can easily recognize that these are the rhyming words. These are the rhyming words. Next, the chapter is going to finish here and there's a small poem. Okay, let's sing it together. Engine, engine, number 9. Engine, engine, number 9. When she's polished, she will shine. Engine, engine, number 9. 10 will ride on the Shimla line. 10 will ride on the Shimla line. Engine, engine, number 9. When she's polished, she will shine. Engine, engine, number 9. 10 will ride on the Shimla line. Thank you, children, for watching. I hope it was a great help for you to solve the back exercise. Please do the back exercise in the book, and you can do the question answers and the rhyming words in your notebook. Thank you for watching.